Hi, my name is Martiz. I am the owner of Lash Blvd and founder of Lash Like a Pro online training course. This is my brand new program called Lash Business Mastery, where I will be sharing with you business tips on how to generate multiple streams of revenue for your business. So should you quit your job and start your own eyelash extensions business? And I want to tell you something. There's a personality that is more likely to succeed when opening up a business. And that personality is the one that is obsessed. If you are an obsessed person, then you're more likely to be successful. But first, let me ask you something. When you obsess about opening up your business, do you daydream about that relationship you're going to have with your clients, or having this beautiful shop you're going to work out of, about the freedom you're going to be having, all the traveling you're going to do, with your flexibility and with all the money you have? Or do you daydream about how you're going to run the business? How are you going to overcome all the challenges? How are you going to generate multiple streams of revenue to cover all your expenses? Do you think about how are you going to set yourself apart in your business so you can have your clients coming your way week after week? Well, if you're more obsessed with the second, then you're more likely to be successful. Opening up your business is not an easy thing. And I want you to think about how are you going to finance your company when you open it up? Where are you going to get those clients from? Do you have a finance plan for the next 6 months? This is really important and something that I will highly recommend you do. Take a look at your finances and see if you can support yourself and your business for 6 months. That means paying the rent, paying your personal rent, paying your personal bills, paying the business bills. So it can get very expensive. And before you open up a business, if you want to do it the smart way and you want to be successful, you want to plan ahead. But if instead you're just daydreaming about the beautiful shop you're going to have, how your clients are going to come through the doors without you having to do the work, that sadly will probably not work. And also, before you do that, think about how much revenue you're going to need in order to cover all of your bills. This includes your business and your home as well. So if you say, I am going to generate, let's say your goal is to bring $5,000 every month to be able to cover your business expenses and your personal bills, what does it require to get there? And then after you do that plan, you have to be more conservative and cut that number in half. Because we don't know how the economy is going to go. We don't know how you're going to be marketing your business. We don't know how many repeat customers you're going to have, especially at the beginning when you're opening your business. The next thing I want you to do is to give your employer enough notice. One thing you don't want to do is burn bridges. Well, let's say that you need to come back and get that job again, and you have burned the bridges. That will kill your reputation. So make sure you give enough notice and you leave in really good terms with the company that has helped you succeed and has helped you save so that you can open up your next business. The next thing you want to do is you want to work on your book of business. This means where you're going to obtain all of your customers. How are you going to build your business? Do you network? Are you planning on networking? Are you planning to let everybody know? Your family, your friends? Do you have a plan to attract those first customers that are going to help you sustain your business for at least the first 6 months or year? And if you do, I want you to start reaching out to them and let them know exactly what your plan is. One thing you really don't want to do is take the clients that you are currently seeing with the company you're working with. From the company you're working with. You don't want to steal those customers from your employer. Those are their customers, not your customers. So you want to be very respectful, because in this industry that is taken very serious and you don't want to get in trouble and be sued for taking those customers. And you will feel so much better if you build your business with your own sweat and tears. Also, at the beginning when you're building your business, everything seems really hard. But with a lot of hard work and your dedication and focus, you can absolutely be successful. Remember, have a plan before you quit your job. And then just execute. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to comment below. Share this video with other lash artists that you think might benefit from this. And if you want to find out more about our trainings, products, please visit lashblvd.com. We will see you soon.